You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x greater than -2/3. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Swap sides. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 5/6 from both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x greater than -2/3.